Take it away, man.
Hello everybody and welcome to this POV drive, and today we have this beautiful Audi A6 limousine.
Hybrid.
E-hybrid.
Hybrid.
As you can see right here. And this car has a special blue color, and if you want to learn more about this beautiful blue color, check out the review up here. But first, check out our POV drive. This car is also specced with this beautiful black rims, and it has the black optics pack all over the car. Today we're going to take you on a POV drive, so enjoy the drive and let us know what you think of this new Audi A6.
Ja, wat kan ik voor je doen?
Alright, so right now we are in the Audi A6 hybrid. And we're looking at the new Audi style of dashboard. I think it really looks pretty modern and really nice. So let's take this car for a drive. So right now we are in hybrid mode. So we both have the electric motor as well as the petrol motor. Right, so in terms of the drivetrain, we have a 2-liter inline 4 turbocharged petrol engine with a electric motor, and combined this car delivers 300 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque via the 7-speed gearbox through all 4 wheels with the Quattro 4-wheel drive system, which makes this car pretty sporty and actually really quick. So right now this car is in dynamic, so everything is set up the way that it's a sporty drive. And here you can actually see the indicators in the dashboard, which is a pretty cool feature. So and let's do some city driving now, and then after that we can go on the highway to check out what the Audi A6 is like to drive on higher speeds. So right here we actually have a selector. We can use this to go into full EV mode, and now we are driving all electric, and the 2-liter turbocharged engine is turned off. And being a capable full electric vehicle, you actually have a range of more than 100 kilometers. Because this car is equipped with a 20 kilowatt hour battery pack, which is actually huge for a hybrid. So you do actually have a super nice range of more than 100 kilometers, which is just really usable for all day driving. So, but if you floor the throttle in EV mode, the turbocharged 4-cylinder just joins the party and just turns on by itself. So I don't think that you're really able to only use the electric motor, but maybe if we put it in comfort or maybe efficiency even, if we floor it now. Yeah, all right, so the problem was being in dynamic, it stops using the electric motor, and when you're in efficiency or maybe even comfort, then you can make use of only the electric motor. But with only the electric motor, it's not as quick, of course. So, but right now, let's turn it back into dynamic and turn off the EV mode and let this car use all of its potential. Oh, it is it is actually really quick. And the nice thing of this car that it can deliver all the horsepowers and torques on all four wheels. So you just have immediate traction. You don't even have like the stability program like kicking in or anything. And the handling of this car is also really nice. So we have the upgraded S-Line suspension setup, which is firm but not too firm. It's not like it's uncomfortable. So it's the perfect balance between sporty driving and comfort. So in here we can really test the full power of this car. And as you can see, that was a really effortless acceleration onto highway speeds. Yeah, it's a really nice. I think this is a really good daily because you can make use of the electric drivetrain and the petrol drivetrain. You have the best of both worlds. So you can drive electric in the city, and if you want to do a big road trip to southern part of France, you can just use the petrol engine as well. Alright, so a drawback of this car is the lane changing warning system. So a lot of cars have these systems in place nowadays where they check the lanes of the road, and if you try to deviate from the lanes without using the indicator, it starts to give you sort of feedback that you're not going in the right direction. But this car does it in such a violent way, and even if I use the indicators, well, now it is working just fine, but just yet I didn't use the indicators on time according to the Audi. Let's try it. And it starts. What the this is, yeah, I mean, this is a bit too much for me. This feels like being punished, not being helped. Alright, so the fuel efficiency, if you just drive 100 kilometers an hour, is actually really good. So you are able to get around 5 liters per 100 kilometers, which for a car this size, a sedan, is just really good. Alright, so this car was actually provided by Audi Wittebrug, which you can see right there. Thanks guys again for providing such a nice demo car. Oh, gaat hij weer luisteren. So Rob, what do you think of the new Audi A6 hybrid?
I think it's actually a really nice car. You do have to love the limousine style car, but if you do, this is
You also
perfect.
have it in a station wagon.
Yeah, exactly. But if you don't want the like sort of quote basic
The dad car.
yeah, the normal A6, then this is a really nice second option or first option depending on what you like.
Would you go for the station wagon or would you go for the sedan?
Yeah, and I think like the station wagon has more practicalities.
Yeah.
But if you don't have a lot of kids, or if you don't have to drive with a lot of stuff or go on trips every month, and then this is a perfect car. You can drive to work, you can take friends, you can do everything, and it's a really nice car and not that expensive as a A8.
But what do you think is a more pretty car? The sedan or the station wagon?
Yeah, that's all depending on taste, but I do think this is the one to get, the A6 limousine, because it is the car you don't see driving around a lot, which I
that's
like.
also true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So definitely I recommend this car if you are in the market for such a vehicle.
Yeah, agree. So we are actually really positive about this new Audi A6 hybrid.
If you say Audi,
Yeah, if you say
then it,
yeah,
Audi A6,
now
then
it's
it turns
listening.
on.
Audi
and off.
A6. Audi.
Hey Audi.
Audi. Hey Audi.
Hallo, hoe kan ik je van dienst zijn?
Yeah, so you can talk to your car. That's so nice. All right, so but that's it for now. We are back at Audi Wittebrug. We're going to hand in this car again. So thank you guys for watching to yet another video on our channel. And if you want to see more of this car, then check out the other videos as well. Do you have anything to add?
No thanks. It was all okay.
It was all really nice. Yes.
It was really nice.
Alright, so with that
I
being
vind
said,
het mooi. I
thank
vind
you
het
guys
mooi.
for watching and see you guys in the next one.
Ciao.
Ciao.